Guys, today we're gonna be doing some bird shooting. Let's get right into it. Got him. Did you get that? Did you get that? Dude, we gotta go get
They're
them.
both hurt. They're both hurt.
Oh my god. He's not done. He's not done. Oh.
Is it on camera?
Yeah.
Come on, get up. I can't see him. Get help with that.
Dude, go around, dude. Watch, wait.
Okay, you go do it. You go do it. You can push you to go in there. You gotta climb under there.
Me?
Yeah. There's fucking two of them in there. Yeah.
Where is he?
I don't know. There's two of them in there, isn't there? I see him.
Where?
He's like, oh my god, there's fucking one right there.
What?
Give me this, give me this, give me this, give me. Here. Zoom in on that one retreat. Pest Control Friday. Okay, go under there and grab the birds, okay?
No, I'm not flipping grabbing them.
They don't have anything wrong with
I'm
them.
not.
They don't have anything
you do
wrong
it.
with them.
You do it.
No, I'm killing
Okay,
one
you
of
don't.
these.
They don't have anything wrong with them. Then do it. Go get it.
I can't see them.
I can. Dude, let me end that guy's life. Give me the gun. Dude, let me end the guy's life.
Okay.
Dude, I know where he is.
Oh, dude, here's another one.
Dude, he's still there. Just let me end that guy. Dude, let me end his life.
Oh,
I know
shit,
where he
he's
is.
still moving.
Nuh-uh. Dude, I
Wait,
know where
what?
he is.
Where is he?
Dude, just give me the gun.
Oh my god. Right there.
You just got him.
I just got him.
Dude, oh, dude. He's right there. He's out.
Grab him.
Yo!
I got him.
No, dude. Dude, look at his feathers.
Get that on film?
Dude, you didn't get him. Dude, you didn't get him. Dude, I saw him fly to that pine
he's
tree. Yeah.
Okay, dude, we gotta be done. We gotta be done.
Uh,
Go get that one bird, take it by its tail, and just chuck it in there, okay?
I'm not. Dude, do it with your gun. Dude, do it with your gun. We're coming here at like.
So here in Tackle Warehouse, so it's Black Friday. When I'm posting this, it's everything is 20% off. Plus some select brands are additional 10. And I need a new spinning rod. So I think I'm gonna get the Powell Infernal. But I'll get to you if I switch that up. And this will be on a separate vid. It's gonna be Tackle Warehouse unboxing, or Black Friday Tackle Warehouse unboxing, and then a couple other things that I got on Black Friday. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys later.